Hi, welcome to Let It Simmer, and today let's make stuffed gourd. First, for the stuffing, I need chana dal. What I have done with the chana dal is I've soaked it overnight. I used about half a cup of chana dal, soaked it overnight. I'm going to grind it coarsely along with some cloves of garlic. There's about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Garlic is optional. This I'm going to grind. Here I have coarsely ground the chana dal. If you see, it's not very fine. There are some whole dal and some finely ground. It's a mix of both. So this will be the stuffing. To this I'm going to add coriander leaves, fresh leaves, amchur powder, that is how much you like, you can take, some turmeric and red chilli powder, salt of course, dhania powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder, jeera powder. We are going to mix it all together. It's already so aromatic. I have cut the snake gourd or chichinda into about 1.5 inch size piece, and I'm going to push the seeds to one side. There. See, now we get a hollow with a bottom here for our stuffing. I'll do the same with all of them. Push it to one side. Make sure that you keep a thumb or your hand on the other side so that it doesn't get pushed out all the way. Last one. There, all done. Now we will stuff it. We will not overstuff it because the snake gourd shrinks on cooking. So we'll just kind of stuff it this much. Make sure that you hold the bottom from the other side when you're stuffing from this side so that things don't get pushed out the other end. There, these are done. I have some filling left over. It's all right. We will use it to make the gravy. Now here I have, this is my microwave safe steamer. I have put water in this. You can use stovetop steamer. It's all right. Just place the snake gourd in this and steam it depending on how thick your and fresh your snake gourd is. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes in the microwave and about 20 minutes probably on a gas top steamer. While the snake gourd is cooking in the microwave, here I have oil heating. I'm using peanut oil. To that I'm adding cumin seeds. It's not very hot yet. Fresh coriander leaves. They give a very nice aroma to the gravy. And I have sliced onion here. Let this cook a little. I have added chilli powder, turmeric and salt to the onions and the leftover masala. I'm just stirring it around. Here my snake gourd is cooked. I'll just put the knife through it and check. Yeah, the knife goes through easily. There, it is cooked. This we will add to our masala, but before that, this water at the bottom, I'm going to use some of that water to make this a little gravy. Give it a gravy. The chana dal will also cook here. The coriander gives out such a beautiful aroma. Now turn down the heat and add the snake gourd to it. Now we'll leave it here in this gravy till it's cooked through. Try and cover each and every one with that masala, each and every piece. See, I'm stirring the snake gourd around. The masala is not coming out of it. This is because the chana has got cooked well and it's kind of taken the shape of the snake gourd. I will cover this and leave it on a slow flame for 5 to 6 minutes till the snake gourd is completely cooked. Let's check. This has been cooking for some time. Lovely. Last bit, we will add coriander. Mix it around. Coriander plays very important role in here. 3 times it has made its appearance. Our snake gourd, stuffed snake gourd is ready. We'll just add a little coriander to it. Enjoy stuffed gourd with hot chapati or as a side for your rice. Thank you.